Right now, AI videos are entering a completely different era. A few months ago, most AI generated videos looked obvious. Weird motion, inconsistent characters, unnatural scenes. You could instantly tell it was AI. But suddenly, things changed. Now we are seeing cinematic camera movement, realistic expressions, movie-like lighting, and animations that honestly look close to real productions. And the craziest part, most people still have no idea how fast this technology is evolving. Creators are now generating short films, ads, trailers, music videos, anime scenes, and viral content using nothing but prompts, images, and AI models. But here's the real challenge: finding a workflow that actually works consistently. Because most platforms either lock the best models behind expensive people limit features or make the process way more complicated than it needs to be. Recently, I tested a platform that gives access to SeeDance 2.0, one of the most impressive AI video models right now, and after trying multiple workflows, I think this might be one of the easiest ways to create cinematic AI videos without needing an entire production team. So guys, here's our platform. SeeGen is also available there. Let me show you how this platform works. So first of all guys, here is everything. Let me show you how you can use this platform. Here is generate videos for free. You can literally give your own prompts here and create your videos and image on this platform, which is also a super easy way. Let me show you how you can do that. It's super duper easy. So first of all guys, here they also have multi-reference videos, image to video, text to video first, and last frame videos. And now I'm going to try with the text to video, and here's the model. You can also select out the Seedance 2 Pro, Seedance 2 Fast, and Happy Horse 1.0 is also available there. So I'm gonna select out Seedance 2 Fast here, and now you can give your prompt here. So guys, I'm gonna give my prompt here, and now after that, here's everything. You can also select out the ratio here. You can also check out the seconds, how much videos you want to be in this. You can check it out, and you can also select out the ratio over there and the quality of the video. And after that, you can also select the multiple videos. Like if you want to create the 2 videos, you can literally create the 4 videos on this platform. And after that, you need to click on the generate option. Now our video is generating, and let me show you the results. And guys, our video has been generated. Let's check out the results.
The future of storytelling isn't about replacing humans, it's about empowering them. We're entering an era where the barrier to creation is lower than ever. And that, more than anything, is incredibly exciting.
And guys, number second is image to video. How you can create image to video. First, you need to give the image, what image you want to give here, and first you need to select the image. So guys, I have given my prompt here. You can check it out. I have given my everything. Now let's click on the generate option and check out the results. So guys, the video has been generated, and let's check out the results.
The sea is a harsh mistress, but she favors the bold. She favors the bold.
So guys, after that, here's the, let's check out their third feature, which is also in front of you, which is the multi-reference video. You can also generate the multi-reference video here. You can also give your image over there, and you can also paste the video, and you can also give the audio over there. Let me show you how you can do that. So guys, I have given all of my details here. Now let's click on the generate option, and let me show you how SeeGen works there. So guys, you can check it out, and let me show you what are the results. So guys, here's our last, which is the first frame and the last frame. I have given my both images. You can also give your images over there basically, and let me show you how you can do the first images or last image also here. Now I'm going to paste on my prompt, and boom, we are going to click on the generate option, and after generating, let me show you the results.
It's all about the journey, not the destination.
Video has been generated, and let's check out the. So because that Discord server to get 200 credit to generate videos and access to community tips and showcase early access to the new feature. So join the Discord and claim 200 token credits now and explore the new things on the SeeGen AI. So guys, after that, their prices are also insane thing, guys. You can check them out here. They also have a lot of things on this platform. Their upgrade prices are also insane. You can go and check them out too. The pricing section is also an insane thing where you can also still explore in the amazing and best prices. You can get the credits basically. So it's your time to check them out too. This was our video about the SeeGen, one of the bestest platform where you can also generate a lot of the videos using Seedance 2.0. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. So we will meet in our next video. Have a great day. Please keep safe, stay happy, and